Today we're checking out this Diablosport PredatorX Tuner for the 2007 to 18 5.3 liter Silverado 1500s. If you want your truck to feel sharper and more responsive without swapping any parts, a handheld tuner is one of the quickest ways to change how the truck drives every single day, so it's definitely worth looking into. This tuner is all about giving you more control over how your vehicle drives without making it a complicated install project. One of the biggest features is that you can tune right from your smartphone with an iOS and Android support, so you're not messing with a clunky setup every time you want to make a change, and you don't have to mount a screen somewhere in the dash that ends up looking out of place. It comes preloaded with performance tunes, and for your truck you're going to get tunes for 87 octane or premium fuel. You also get TCM tunes included, which is a huge plus because it can help the transmission feel smarter and more responsive, especially if you're tired of lazy shifts or odd behavior after some other mods. On top of power and drivability, this thing is loaded with the practical adjustments that you'll actually use. You can disable AFM to make sure that you're getting full power at all times. You can calibrate your speedometer for taller tires, set your axle ratio if you've swapped gears, remove the speed limiter, adjust the idle speed, raise the rev limiters, and even more. It also gives you live data monitoring so you can keep an eye on what the vehicle is doing in real time. And you can read and clear diagnostic trouble codes right from the same setup, which is super handy when the light pops up and you don't need a separate code reader just to see what's going on. This is a great option for someone who wants a noticeable upgrade in how their truck feels on a daily basis, plus the ability to dial in real-world mods like tires, gears, and everyday driving needs without paying a shop every time you want to make a tweak. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting a handheld tuner unit with a durable plastic housing and a user-friendly app designed for everyday use, along with an OBD2 port connection that's made to plug into the truck cleanly and securely. It's designed to be easily handheld, stored, and used repeatedly without feeling loose in that port over time. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the mid $300 price range. For a tuner that can change how the truck feels immediately and help match truck mods that are common like larger tires or turn off AFM so you're running on 8 cylinders all the time, that's a very solid value in my opinion. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this up and running in 15 minutes of your time once you get into that app and figure everything out. Now let's see exactly how this install goes with a quick video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
This is a tutorial on how to tune a 2015 Chevy Silverado with the 5.3 liter V8 using the Diablosport PredatorX. In the box there should be the tuner dongle and a sticker, and your first step will be to download the Diablosport PredatorX app and register an account. After registering your account, be sure to put your key into the accessory position and turn it to run, and plug your dongle into your OBD port located under your dash. After you've made all of your selections, you can click Build Tune, and it may take a second depending on how good your service or signal is. After it's built, you'll see your selections, and you can scroll through and see what you've chosen and kind of make sure you're good with it. And then you can hit Upload to Vehicle. Before you upload the vehicle, make sure that you have your battery plugged in or that it's well charged, because this could take a few minutes. You can hit Upload to Vehicle and hit OK. And then it will start uploading and flashing the tune. While the ECU is being programmed, it is completely normal for dash lights to come on. It just means that it is working how it's supposed to. As it's working, it'll give instructions on things that you'll need to do, like turn off the ignition here. So we'll turn the ignition off and hit OK. And then it said to turn it back on. And it's uploaded and it's done. Now you're good and you're ready to enjoy your tune. At any point you want to change, just go in and you can click install on any of these here, or you can modify your stock tune and upload those.
That's going to wrap up our review and install of this Diablosport PredatorX Tuner for the 2007 to 2018 5.3 liter Silverado 1500s. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at American Trucks.